my opinion, whether it's unpopular or not, we will see. But my opinion is that if you have a workshop where none of the participants actually get to do hands-on stuff, that's a seminar, not a workshop. If you're doing most of the talking and most of the demonstration, that's a seminar. The people are just sitting there and watching you. That's not a workshop. So know and disclose what it is that what you're going to be putting on. Is it a seminar where they just listen? Or are they actually going to be learning and doing stuff with the information that they're learning from you at the time? So yeah, workshops, not seminars. And I'm a big fan of workshops, hands-on, very hands-on, not the let me talk at you for 4 to 8 hours thing.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like that's probably going to be popular, Johnny. What do you do with unpopular opinions?
Yeah, whoever's workshop/seminar Johnny walked into at GopherCon, that's who's going to find it unpopular.
Yeah, now I'm wondering who you're referencing secretly. But we won't get into that on the podcast.
It's like Bill Kennedy. He's like, Bill, you don't even.
Wow.
Why are you even here?
Oh my gosh. I would say on the workshop topic, in my order, and I have ranked all the moments of GopherCon in order, I obviously had Kaylin and me lightning talks, Rainbow Alliance. My second best moment was walking into Johnny's workshop because it was packed. Everyone was so engaged. I saw smiles. I saw like interaction between individuals. Sometimes you walk into a workshop. No, I'm not referencing anyone specific before you start grilling me. And it's a little bit dry. It's a little bit like the atmosphere's not there. It doesn't feel like it's an exciting environment of learning. Whereas in Johnny's workshop, I walked in and Johnny's amazing, always going to be amazing. But like the number of people in combination with Johnny's ability to really bring everyone along for the ride and make everyone in the room feel included, feel supported is a skill that like just needs to be upped in a public forum like a podcast. So if you ever have a chance to go to one of Johnny's workshops, please jump at that opportunity. I've said this about 7 times and I feel like I'm going to say it every time I have the opportunity. The reason I even go is because I went to a workshop that Johnny was running. That is the primary reason and the only reason that I was like, oh, this Go thing, I love it. So Johnny, you can thank or be upset at, was the reason I am in the Go community. So
wow, that is amazing. Thank you for that.
Wow.
My job is done.
Anytime.
My job is done.